Jewel-like in their precision and appearance, the headlights of your Genesis are beautiful to behold. But from behind the wheel, they become even more dazzling with an array of smart features to help keep you safe while driving. One such feature is the Auto Light feature. To use it, simply rotate the headlamp control knob to the Auto setting. Once in Auto mode, the parking lights and headlights will be automatically turned on and off depending on the amount of light outside the vehicle. The available High Beam Assist feature goes one step further. It can take on the task of automatically dimming your high beams when it senses oncoming vehicles and reactivating them once they pass by. It can also dim the high beams automatically if you enter a well-lit area, such as a major intersection. To enable the feature, rotate the headlamp switch on the steering column's left stalk to Auto. Then, press the stalk away from you. The High Beam Assist indicator on the instrument cluster will illuminate, letting you know that High Beam Assist is active. The High Beam Assist system will not work when you are stationary or moving slower than 25 miles per hour. You can still flash your high beams if they have been dimmed. Just pull back on the stalk as you usually would to flash, then release the stalk to return to Auto mode. To switch High Beam Assist off, rotate the headlamp switch away from Auto. You should turn the headlights on manually when driving in rain or fog, or when driving into any structure, as the Auto headlight feature may not work properly. You should also know that High Beam Assist may not work properly if the headlights of an oncoming car are dim, if an oncoming vehicle's parking lights or fog lights are on but not their headlights, or when driving on a narrow or curved road. Your Genesis may also be equipped with the LED Adaptive Front Lighting System, or AFLS. This is also sometimes referred to as Dynamic Bending Light. Instead of constantly shining straight ahead, the AFLS is designed to turn as the steering wheel turns. It aims the low beam headlights in the direction the vehicle is moving. This helps illuminate the area where the vehicle is traveling and improves nighttime visibility, especially on dark, winding roads. To enable it, simply turn the headlight switch to the Auto position. When in Auto, the AFLS will operate. To use the headlights without AFLS, simply turn the headlight switch to On. AFLS headlight swiveling will no longer occur, and the headlights will stay stationary. In addition, you should know that AFLS headlight swiveling will not take place when the vehicle is stationary. While driving in a vehicle equipped with AFLS, you may notice a small, black, half-moon image in the headlight throw pattern. This is perfectly normal and is part of the headlight design. It is there to prevent headlight glare from affecting any oncoming vehicles. For more information on these features, as well as more about your Genesis, please consult your owner's manual.